Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Fort Knox Company, and I'm going to show you how to change out the headlight on your Ram 2500. This is a 4th generation Ram 2500. It is the easiest and fastest way I figured out how to do it. Just take a look here at the old lights. They are very orange and dim, so I definitely need to swap these things out. It's pretty easy. There's a bolt on the front of the headlight. There's a bolt that we're going to remove on the grill just to give us a little bit of movement. And the third bolt is going to be down here on the front. Right inside, you can see directly in the front bottom corner of the headlight. You go straight down with a double extended socket and you can remove it. It's not that hard, and with just these 3 bolts and a couple other spots, we can actually pop this headlight right out. So once you get those 3 removed, the bolts look like this. They're a coarse thread 10mm. We're going to go around to the back on the inside of the wheel well. We can pop open this flap right here, and once you get this flap open, you can see in there in the back, there's a white tab and it just kind of flips up. And I'll show you over here on the passenger side. I already got this one open and you can see that tab. It just kind of moves up and down. So when you push this up, it releases it. So you just push that up. That's what holds it in place. And then before you pop it out, these pop straight forward. And what kind of holds it in place is this little ball socket down here in the corner. It just goes back into a little socket hole. So when you pull this out, it pulls straight. You have that tab released. And then when you get the headlight out, you can easily access your headlight. You can switch out the bulbs or the whole entire light assembly itself. And I just use a double extended socket and a little magnetic reach. But I'll go ahead and walk you through every step. Let's go. First, we're going to remove the bolt on the front of the headlight here. This is a little bit tight, so I just take off the extension and use a basic socket wrench. Next thing we're going to do is remove the one on the top of the grill, and the whole purpose of this is really just to kind of give us a little bit of movement when we pull it out. And if you haven't already, hit like on the video if you find it helpful. We can then take a double extended with the 10mm on the end, and you can line it up there with the bolt on the bottom, and then you can take this one out. And what I do is I get it loose, and it just takes a little bit of effort, and then once you got it loose, it will just sit there in place. Then I just reach down in with this little extended telescoping magnetic and I'll pull it out. You can be creative with how you get this, but it's not too hard. Then we reach inside the wheel well and pop that tab. Then we're going to pull the headlight straight forward. Then we can turn it out. So make sure you pull it forward, then you can turn it out. Now we have access to the light bulbs and we can just give it a quarter turn and it should pop right out. Be careful when you're working with this plug right here. They are a little bit brittle. So sometimes I'll take a little flathead and just kind of start it to loosen it. Then it should just pop right off. And with the replacement bulbs, I'll have links for everything in the bottom of the video. I'm gonna go with these Oxido LED lights, but there are a lot of options out there. These are a direct replacement. They're pretty fancy, and from what I hear, they're very bright, but they give you some gloves so you don't handle it with your bare hands, but they do pop right in, and then the plug goes right on the back as you would want it to. So we'll go ahead and put this right inside. You just slip it in and you line up the 3 tabs. There's 3 tabs that will line up to the holes on the back of your light assembly. Then you give it a quarter turn and it should lock right in place. You might have to push on it just a little bit and then give it a turn. Then we can go ahead and just plug in the extender here and it will plug right into your factory plug. Make sure it's secured and clipped into place. Then we can just secure everything on the back of the light. Make sure your light wires are secure. You can maybe use a couple zip ties and secure the rest in the back. Then just pretty much reverse the whole process. Remember, you had to turn it and then go straight into the truck. So turn it and then push it straight back. Now you can see the comparison between the old and the new. Much, much brighter, and it was a definite upgrade that I needed. Driving with these old ones at night was almost like driving with nothing. So it was a good upgrade for you, and it was really quick to do without having to take apart the whole entire grill assembly. And here's a look at both headlamps replaced. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments. I'm really good at getting back to those. Make sure you hit like on the video, consider subscribing, and check out any of the products I have down there in the description below. I'll see you on the next one.